Poisoning with which of the following leads to formation of oxalate crystals? Option A is methanol, B isopropanol, C propylene glycol, and D ethylene glycol. So which leads to formation of oxalate crystals? What do you think is the correct answer here? Let's see. The correct answer here is D, ethylene glycol. So poisoning with ethylene glycol leads to formation of oxalate crystals. Which of the following leads to elevation of osmolar or anion gap? A. Ketoacidosis, B. Chronic kidney disease, C. Sickle cell syndrome, and D. All of the above. So what do you think is the correct answer? Elevation of anion gap. Elevation of anion gap is seen in ketoacidosis also, chronic kidney disease also, sickle cell syndrome also. So the correct option here is D, all of the above. Blood test useful in identifying individual consuming 6 or more standard drinks per day include A. Gamma glutamyl transferase, B. Carbohydrate deficient transferrin, C. Serum uric acid more than 7 mg per deciliter, D. All of the above. So what do you think is the correct option? So the blood test useful in identifying individuals consuming 6 or more standard drinks is all of the above: gamma glutamyl transferase, carbohydrate deficient transferrin, and serum uric acid more than 7 mg per deciliter. Which of the following is a toxic alcohol? A. Methanol, B. Isopropanol, C. Propylene glycol, D. All of the above. So the correct option here is D. All of the above. So toxic alcohol is methanol, isopropanol, propylene glycol, all of the above. Alcohol withdrawal symptoms peak in intensity on day A 1 to 2, B 2 to 3, C 3 to 4, and D 4 to 5. So the correct option here is B 2 to 3. Correct option here is B 2 to 3. So alcohol withdrawal symptom peak in intensity on day 2 to 3.